after almost 3 months of searching, we have finally found a long-term apartment in Milan. Well, we finally moved into a long-term apartment, and getting here wasn't easy. The lowest point was when we got rejected from 2 more apartments. We had just 2 days left in our Airbnb, no place to move to, and short-term rental prices skyrocketed because of the fashion week. And at that moment, we started questioning if moving here was the right choice. Searching for an apartment here turned out to be truly humbling. You think that you have good chances, but then you stumble upon problems you hadn't expected. In Italy, tenant protection laws are very strong, which makes it difficult for landlords to remove them even if they don't pay. So of course they're extra cautious in choosing new tenants. Ultimately, high demand, a shortage of available apartments, and strict tenant selection make renting difficult here, especially for foreigners. But everything turned out great. We found this wonderful apartment, quickly connected with the landlord, and got the positive answer the next day after the viewing. We acted fast, and by the time we knew what we were doing, I guess it paid off. After so many refusals, we didn't expect much, but this place turned out to be much better than we hoped. Indeed, great things never come without struggle. Another great bonus is that the apartment already has almost everything we need for a comfortable living. From beautiful vintage furniture to tableware, cooking utensils, and even a year's worth of household supplies. I'm really grateful to the landlord for leaving us so many useful things. It will help us to settle in without spending much on extra stuff. But we still need to buy some things, and I know just the place where we can find them. Now is very long-awaited moment for me happening, because we're finally going to IKEA. I was waiting for this moment a very long time, and this moment means that we found an apartment, we managed all the documents, at least we're waiting for them, and we just can simply enjoy going to IKEA and to furnish and decorate our new apartment. Yay! For this IKEA visit, we had a specific to-find list. The main goal was to choose work tables and chairs. Finding a chair for me isn't easy, because I'm a pretty small person. And this chair was eventually the only one that fit my size. The next thing on the list was picking out some cooking utensils, a few things for the bathroom, and a couple of carpets. We also wrote down other things we liked to order later. Besides completing this shopping list, I also wanted to enjoy the full IKEA experience. And of course, have that classic lunch at the IKEA restaurant. Eventually, in addition to the list, I also found nice slippers, a genius cleaning brush, cute tea infusers, and my favorite lingonberry jam. In just a few days, we ordered the rest of the furniture and essentials and started making our new home feel complete. I love settling into a new apartment and making the place cozy and pleasant to live in, and this time it's been especially meaningful considering the journey that brought us here. The next time I will tell you more about this nesting process, how we furnished and decorated our new place. So see you soon in the next video.